Hey there, welcome everyone, guys. This is As Group. I'm Shambhu, and this is the second video in Unity Topper series. Today I'm gonna tell you about Unity, how you can download it, what you need to download, and first of all, what is Unity? Okay, so Unity is the game engine that we are preferring over here because it has got a very low learning curve. That means it's very easy to learn. That's why we chose Unity. Okay, now, so first of all, you need to download Unity. For that you need to go to unity3d.com. So Unity has got three different versions. But before that, the latest Unity version is 2018.1. Is this Unity 2018.1 available now? This has got the new thing, that's real-time rendering of light. Okay, and at least for me that sucks. Okay, now there are the three versions of Unity: Personal, Plus, and Pro. Okay, so there's a reason for the Plus being a bestseller. I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, now first of all, Personal. Personal will give you all core engineering features. You will get every single thing. You can do every single thing Unity does. There pretty much no bar. The best thing of it all is that it is free. Now, what are the disadvantages in the Personal? Every free thing has got a little disadvantage. Mostly. Okay, the first disadvantage is you cannot remove the Unity logo from your splash screen. Okay, so when a splash screen is a screen that starts up when you're running a game. Like, let me show it to you. So, if I shit, if I like open this game and I start up, sometimes this is also referred to as a splash screen. Sometimes. Here's the startup screen. You see the made with Unity logo. You cannot remove it if you have got a personal Unity personal version. So let's close it. Now, another thing is that you cannot get a dark theme editor mode. You need to work around with the gray themed. Okay, so now of the Plus, you need to pay $35 per month to get the Plus. Okay, there are various things over here. You can get the Unity game dev courses. Now, first thing, you can customize a splash screen. That is, remove the Unity logo so that people don't know that you have used Unity to make the games, so they can easily find it out. Okay, now you got the Pro Skin Editor UI. This is the best thing. You get the dark theme. Okay. Now what about Pro? Pro has got everything Plus can do, and a few other things like premium support for source code access. But still, when Pro and Plus are pretty much the same, why should I pay $90 more for Pro? Pretty much no reason. So Plus, that's why Plus is the best seller. But right now, we know that you are indie artist, you are indie game developer. You pretty much have no money. So we're going with Try Personal. So we clicked on Try Personal, and here's the options for downloading Unity Personal. This screenshot is from Monument Valley 2, made in Unity. Great game. Okay, now you need to click over here and accept the terms. Here are a few things that if you make more than $100,000 annually, you cannot use Unity Personal. Okay, so here are two things: download installer for Unity and download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is a simple software that is similar to the Unity startup window, and it helps you to shuffle between different versions of Unity. But as it's still in beta version, let's not go out checking it out. So let's download the installer for Windows. It will show you that. Let's get it started. It will prompt me to download Unity Download Assistant, which I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. Once you download it, you can access it from here, from downloads. Okay, so I will go open it up. কি হচ্ছে এটা? এটা খোলার পর থেকে হচ্ছে। Shit. Whoa, that's bad. That's very bad. Oh, what's happening? Everything's down. It happened last time too. It happened again. Don't know what's happening, but still I recovered, it seems. Good, good, good. My god. So this is the download assistant. You will first connect to the internet. Here you need to accept the agreement, and here are tons of things that you will need to download. First, 2000. This is the editor. The main size is 568 MB. That will install and extract to 1.9 GB. Now, few other things that you need to download. First of all, if you don't have a very good internet connection, that means sometimes you are without internet in a deserted, isolated island, then you should download documentation. This is a complete Unity manual and scripting API. You can always open it up and get help even without internet. Standard assets is a must for most of the games. This will give tons of standard assets like character controller, vehicles. You've got particle systems, you've got environment, you've got speed tree models, and hell lot of things. So you will need to download this. So if you download this, it will set you way ahead in making a game. Example projects are a few example projects that are made in Unity, like there's a rollerball, a survival shooter, and a few other things. Now comes up to which platform you want to build into. Which platform you want to build it. Like if you want to build for iOS, you will need this support. You can download it from within the Unity editor too, but downloading it beforehand is better. Like if you want Android build support, look over here. You want tvOS, you've got Linux, you've got now. These are all IDE configuration. Vuforia augmented reality support. This is for AR game developments. This is a WebGL build support, so that you can make games that can be played in the browser itself. And Facebook game room, Facebook games. So if we hit next and then install, it will start installing the Unity. But as I've already have Unity installed, I'm not going anywhere more. So cancel the setup. Good. Now, once you've done installed Unity, you're doing scripting. You really don't like Mono. You want to use Visual Studio as most of the people use it. You will need to do this. Go simply search Visual Studio. So go to visualstudio.com. So now you need to download this Visual Studio IDE. Go for download community. That's free and really good. Now Visual Studio installer will start up. This is Visual Studio installer and not the actual Visual Studio IDE. Once you install okay, so I've already installed Visual Studio installer. So here's the Visual Studio installer that will install. Let's wait. It's opening up. Visual Studio has got a pretty neat dark theme to it. Though when you will open it up, it will open up with a white and a blue theme. But opening up with a dark theme looks kind of cool. So here's Visual Studio install again. It's ready. Hmm. Okay, so I need to update. So I will skip that part. So the update is finished. Now you will need to download Visual Studio Community from over here. It's showing me update right now. So now click. I will now click on more. Where is that? Okay, so the new Visual Studio installer pretty much changed, it seems. It's got a Visual Studio Marketplace. Most probably here. Okay, so I need to go more. Go to modify. And then we will need to configure Visual Studio for Unity. It never comes pre-configured. So now you have various things that you can download for Visual Studio. Okay, so here's it. Under mobile and gaming, game development Unity. You need to click on it and click on modify. This will download Unity VS. The next time you open up Unity, you're going to get Visual Studio as a default IDE. So this was very much for today's video. In the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can show you around Unity, what the menu system works like, means what every single option means, how you can configure it according to your system requirement, according to your system specs, and much more is going to come. And from this Saturday, our Summer Quest Season 2 is going to begin. Do not miss it. 30 days, 30 videos. Summer Quest Season 2. And thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And yes, join our very good Discord server. Hell yeah. Thank you.